Now, it's not just all the places I've shown you thus far, or sources of which you can procure water. There are numerous places to procure water. So this video will entail you researching all the places you can find water in a suburban setting. And I'm going to give you some hints beforehand. So you can get water from car radiators. You can get water from the same place, a car, the windscreen wiper water. You can get water from swimming pools. You can get water from other machines and other forms of transport that need reservoirs of water. Now, I've already shown you the hot water system because that's a very efficient method, as well as the water being trapped in the pipes. But that's not going to be part of this. And you can find water in many other forms, usually in safe mixtures of compounds it's part of. So you'll find water in many places. So again, remember that water can be found in cars. So if you're in one of those zombie apocalypses, for instance, which is unlikely to occur, you'll know that there are cars everywhere. Therefore, there must be water in them. Eventually you'll find one with water. So wherever man has touched, almost every single place is water. Again, especially swimming pools. But note that in all these methods, especially these methods, you're going to have to treat the water. So whether you make a distillation device or do it via another method, such as the jeans or sleeve method, where you put dirt and so forth in it and filter everything out and then boil it. It doesn't matter. You've got to get it done. You've got to treat all these. Well, you've got to treat the water in all these forms of procuring that water. Otherwise, you will get sick and you could die. It's a very serious subject. So treating water is always at the top of the agenda. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to research and Google many different ways of finding water. You may even want to Google that. Where can I find water in an urban setting? Where are the many different types of finding water in an urban environment? And I've already given you the heads up. Besides all the videos I've supplied thus far, you've got the cars, such as the radiators and windscreen wipers, swimming pools, water in big bottles and tubs of whatever compound it's part of. I'm not going to say chlorine, but you get my point. And many mechanical devices. So you may even find them at the bottom of pot plants. So water can be there. So when when people have those pot plants, and you got the water drooping at the bottom, and there's just a little bit. Even if it's just a little bit, it's still fluid. It's still water, and it's still savable. It's still potable if you treat it and act accordingly. So research all those methods. I think there'll only be about 2 or 3 more videos, maybe 4. The last one on water collection will be next, and then we're going to go off to how to treat water. But all these, because they're so important, I want you to go out and research and demonstrate and trial it for yourself.